Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to add voice recordings to your status on WhatsApp. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Start by opening WhatsApp on your device to access your messages and updates. 2. Tap the Updates tab located at the bottom of the screen to navigate to the status creation section. 3. Tap on the pencil icon to initiate the process of creating a new text status. 4. Look for the microphone icon. Long press it to begin recording your voice note. 5. Once you've finished recording, release the microphone icon to stop the recording. 6. You can preview your voice note by tapping the play button to ensure it sounds as you intended. 7. If you're satisfied with the recording, tap the send button to share it as your status update with your contacts. By following these steps, you can easily add your voice to your WhatsApp status, allowing you to share your thoughts and messages in a more personal and engaging way. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding voice recordings to your WhatsApp status. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks coming your way.